엉클어진 밤 침대에 누워 핸드폰만 보면 또 하루를 보내. 오늘 같은 날 산책이라도 다녀올까. But I feel so lazy. Yeah, I'm home alone.
Hello, welcome back to Dreamy Year. So today's look is on this separated natural lash look inspired by Korean idols. This lash look only consists of using mascara and just your natural lashes. It's a nice way to amp your natural lashes up and add a little more pizzazz to them. And if you want to know how I got these lashes, stay tuned to the end. So the first step in achieving this lash look is curling the lashes, and I'm using this one by Shiseido. So I recently discovered this one and it's worked so well because it has a flatter edge and that just sits a lot better on my eyelid, and it gets every lash from the inner to the outer corner. So find a lash curler that suits your eye shape. Lash curlers don't work too well and then you'll have to like constantly clamp it, but with this curler it curls pretty much instantly, like a solid nice curl, and you don't have to go over it too many times. So when I curl my lashes, I have quite a lot of lashes all over and it's like it goes pretty long at the end. I don't know if you can see. Zoom up a little. These are my natural lashes. It also droop downwards, so it can be tricky to get each and every lash. However, a trick that I've learned to get all the lashes in the curler, also using a good curler too. So with my left hand, I grab the outer lid and kind of lift it up a tiny bit, just a slight lift, and I'm gonna grab the curler and then insert it from the outside in. And then sometimes a few strands of the lashes aren't curled at the end, so then I'm gonna go in one more time. And you also want to make sure you go really close to the roots, but it shouldn't hurt in any sort of way. You can just kind of feel it against the root. And then I like to angle my lash curler slightly towards the nose bridge, and then I'm going to emphasize these front lashes by curling them separately. I just slightly lift it up a little. And that is the curl. Look at that difference. It opens up the eye so much. And then repeat on the left eye. That's how you get a super strong curl. A good tip also when curling the lashes, if there's like any area where you feel like it's lacking a curl more than the other, grab your curler and go super close to the root of that area and just kind of pulse it. That would really help add lift to that specific area. If you have short lashes, I also recommend using an eyelash serum. A few years back I used to use the brand Envy. It's really well and really quick too, like you could see results in like a week, but I haven't used it in a long while. So these are my natural lashes. Now for the fun part, you're gonna need waterproof mascara, and I'm using the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. I've been using this mascara for a while now and it's a good waterproof basic mascara. I attempted to do this lash look using this Hero and Make waterproof mascara, but it was too waterproof, so when I would mold the lashes it would dry up too quickly, and using this one was a lot more flexible in the application of doing this separated lash look. And then just using the wand, you're going to need a blunt tweezer, so I've got one right here. It's nice and blunt so you won't poke your eyes out. Now using the blunt tweezer, and I'm creating a generous layer on the tips, also making sure that it's not overly clumpy. Starting with the inner corner, and I'm pinching a couple of the lashes together, eyeballing about 5 to 10 depending on how thick your lashes are. just enough to create a spike. So clamping it at the base, and I'm dragging the tweezer through the bunch of lashes to create that pointy tip, and then repeating that all over the lash line. Make sure to coat on some more mascara, especially when it starts to get a little dry. It's much easier to mold the lashes when there is fresh mascara on a clean tweezer. It kind of looks like I'm pulling my lashes quite hard, but it's just a soft tug to make the lashes pointier. I also like to go over the tips of the lashes only with the freshest mascara, and I like to elongate that spike.
So many questions 오랜만이야 라는 말도 못한 채 Are you fine fine 이런 말만 대묻네 너가 잘 지내고 있는 거 나 알아 그냥 그 목소리가 듣고 싶은 거를 어떡해 I say I miss you but 그건 나의 실수 너와 다시 친구가 되고 싶은 백수 I know this sounds crazy but everything's been lately How's your 동생 doing and your daddy and mommy I'm not drunk
For the lower lashes, I created some subtle spikes. Same concept as the upper lash line. The only difference is to not make it as dark as the top, and you don't have to make the spikes as precise and perfect. You can get away with just doing a few main spikes.
침대에 누워 핸드폰만 보면 또 하루를 보내 오늘 같은 날 산책이라도 다녀올까 봐라 오랜만이야 10년이면 강산 또 변한다던데 넌 말이야 얼마나 많이 변했을까 궁금해 기억을 잃어버린 또리에게 사랑이란 그저 fantasy 그래도 한땐
I hope you enjoyed this video. It's something a little different, something quite cute and natural. And thank you for watching and supporting my channel. I'm so happy that you're here, staying tuned to the end of my video. And have an amazing day, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
You're my time machine 널 보니 그대로도